morning students and welcome to your art activity class. Dear students, in your today's art activity class, we are going to color page number 19 and page number 20 of your art activity book. So, in our today's art activity class, we are going to color two pages. That is page number 19 and page number 20. We are not going to do something new today because I have already taught you all the instructions regarding coloring with crayons. How to use crayon to color an outline picture. So let us talk about page number 19 first. In page number 19, you can see that there is an outline image of a leaf. What is this? This picture belongs to a leaf. And here in the right hand side corner of your book, you can see that the sample is already given. What you have to do to color this image is you have to use a felt pen. You have to use black felt pen and join these dots. You can see that some dots are given in between the leaf. So you will use black felt pen to join these dots. After joining these dots, you will use green crayon and you will start coloring this leaf. And how will you color? As I have already taught you, when you are coloring any image, you have to color the inner outline first. You will first color the inner outline by using the crayon like this. You will first color the inner outline of the picture, and then after coloring the inner outline, you will fill color in the middle portion, and when you are filling the color, you will apply crayon in any one direction, whether left to right or right to left, upside down or downside up. So this is the instruction that I have already given you in your previous art activity class also. So for this picture, for this image, you are going to do the same. You are going to repeat the same instruction. You are going to use black felt pen to join all these dots, and after you joining the dots, you will use green crayon. You will color the inner outline of the image, and then you will use green crayon to fill the middle portion of this picture. Now turn to page number 20. In page number 20, you can see that there are two ice creams. Yes, we all love to eat ice cream. But here you can see that two outline picture of ice cream is given in page number 20. So what you have to do? You have to see the sample picture first. All of you will look this sample picture, and you have to color accordingly. First of all, in the first outline picture of this ice cream, we are going to use red and orange, or you can also fill this color with mustard yellow. Red and mustard yellow crayon you are going to use to color this first ice cream. So in this area, what you will do? You will again use black dot color, and you will first join these dots. You will use black felt pen. Join these dots with black felt pen. and then you will apply red crayon in the inner outline. You will apply crayon in the inner outline first. You will first apply the crayon in the outline, and then after applying the crayons in the outline area, what you will do? You will fill the middle portion. You will fill the middle portion like this. Okay? In this way, you will apply red crayon to this area. You will see the sample picture and you will color it. After that, the next color that we are going to use in the bottom area is yellow or orange, mustard yellow or orange crayon. So what will you do? You will again color the inner outline first, and after coloring the inner outline, what we are going to do? You are going to apply yellow crayon in the middle portion of this ice cream. In the same way, you are going to color this image also, and to color this ice cream, what you have to do, you can see that there is a dotted outline of this ice cream. So first of all, you will use black felt pen. Join all these dots by using black felt pen, and then again you will use maroon color in this area of this ice cream. You will color this area in this way, and again you will use sky blue color or crayon to color this part of this ice cream. In the same way, you will repeat the colors. First you will color maroon, then sky blue, again maroon, then sky blue, maroon, sky blue, maroon, sky blue. So you will follow this instruction and you will color both the pages, page number 19 and page number 20. By using black felt pen, you will join the dots, and by using crayon color, you will color the middle portion of the picture. I hope children, the instructions are clear to all of you. So all of you will color the image and you will finish your work and send me your work in the classroom. Thank you children.